Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving at some challenging NMDCAT MCQs to sharpen your English knowledge. Let's get started. The first MCQs is choose the word that is most nearly opposite and meaning to the word and capital letters. Abhor. A. Love. B. Accept. C. Despise. D. Press. So the correct option is A. The next MCQs is select the correct sentence. A. Neither of the boys have done their homework. B. Neither of the boys has done their homework. C. Neither of the boys have done their homework. D. Neither of the boys has done his homework. So the correct option is B. Which of the following sentence use the subjunctive mood correctly? A. If I was rich, I will travel the world. B. If I were rich, I would travel the world. C. If I were rich, I will travel the world. D. If I was rich, I would travel the world. So the correct option is B. If I were rich, I would travel the world. The next MCQ is select the correctly punctuated sentence. A. It's important to remember that punctuation matters. B. Important to remember that punctuation matters. C. It's important to remember that punctuations matter. D. It's important to remember that punctuations matters. So the correct option is C. C as the correct option. It's important to remember that punctuation matters. Choose the correct form of the verb. By this time tomorrow, I dash my project. A. Will complete. B. Will have completed. C. Completed. D. Complete. Will have complete. B as the correct option. Identify the error and the sentence. Each of the students must submit their own assignment by Friday. A. Each of B. Students see their D. assignment. So the correct option is C. There. Which sentence is written and the passive voice? A. The committee will review the proposal tomorrow. B. The proposal will be reviewed by the committee tomorrow. The committee reviewed the proposal. D. The proposal reviews by the committee tomorrow. B is the correct option. The proposal will be reviewed by the committee tomorrow. To endure upon, the next MCQ is choose the correct meaning of the idiom. Bite the bullet. A. To endure upon full experience. B. To procrastinate. C. To avoid a difficult situation. D. To act impulsively. The correct option is A. To endure upon full experience. Select the sentence that uses the correct imperative form. A. She is the most smartest girl in the class. B. She is more smarter than anyone in the class. C. She is the smartest student in the class. D. She is the smartest student in the class. D is the correct option. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. He is adept at solving complex problems. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. With. So the correct option is at. C is the correct option. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.